The unsightly brown patches on your tub and your sinks are probably rust, and it's caused by a number of different things. Often, rust is a result of water carried through older, rusty, galvanized pipes. If you have hard water, rust can be caused by the residue of iron and minerals left behind on the surface. Ultimately, though, it really doesn't matter much how the rust got there. What does matter is that it looks bad and should be cleaned up. Fortunately, getting rid of these stains can be pretty easy. Stay tuned for the simplest methods for removing rust stains from your bathtub today. 1. Lemon and salt. Lemon juice contains a natural acid that will dissolve rust without damaging the surface of your tub. But the juice is thin and will flow away when you apply it. So use it on a flat part of the bathtub that has rust on it, such as the bottom or near the drain. Cover the rust with lemon juice and let it sit for 10 minutes. Squeeze a lemon or pour bottled lemon juice over the rust spots on the bathtub. Fully saturate the affected areas and make sure the rust is covered with the juice. Allow the lemon juice to soak into the rust for at least 10 minutes, then pour salt over the lemon juice until it forms a clumpy paste. Don't mix or stir the solution. Sprinkle the salt over the affected areas so it sticks to the acidic lemon juice. Wait 2 to 3 hours, then you can get to work. Take a toothbrush and scrub using circular motions until the rust disappears. Use a microfiber cloth to scrub the rust away if you don't have an old toothbrush or soft bristled brush. For especially stubborn rust stains, let the mixture of lemon juice and salt sit on the rust for 4 to 5 hours, then scrub it. Once you've scrubbed the rust away from the surface, wash the area with clean water to rinse away the paste. Then, take a clean cloth and wipe the area clean to remove all traces of the cleaning solution and the rust. 2. Baking soda and vinegar. You can use baking soda and vinegar on any bathtub except enamel. Baking soda and vinegar are effective rust removers, but the acid in the vinegar can degrade porcelain enamel-covered bathtubs. Baking soda is also cheap, and you may already have some lying around the house that you can use. When it comes to which vinegar you should use, opt for white vinegar. Put 45 grams of baking soda into a bowl, then add about 120 milliliters of white vinegar, slowly pouring it in so you don't send the lightweight baking soda flying everywhere. Next, use a toothbrush or a spoon and mix the baking soda and vinegar together. Continue stirring it until it congeals into a thick but malleable paste. Make sure all of the vinegar is evenly distributed into the baking soda. You can then apply the paste over the rust on your bathtub using a toothbrush. Make sure all of the affected areas are completely covered by the paste. Allow the paste to soak into the rust overnight or for at least 8 hours so it can start to loosen it from the surface. Then take a toothbrush or a microfiber cloth and gently scrub the affected area until the rust is gone. Don't scrape or scrub the bathtub too hard, or you could damage or scratch the surface. After you've scrubbed the rust away, there will be remnants of the paste and rust left on the surface. Run clean water over the area to wash the residue away from the surface. If part of the rust remains after you scrub away the paste, repeat the process until it's gone. 3. Cola. Cola definitely isn't something you'd consider using as a cleaning solution, but it does more wonders than you'd think. That's because it contains citric acid that'll break down the rust, and the sugar in corn syrup will help it stick to the surface of the rust. To try this remedy, just take a can of regular cola and pour it over the rust to fully saturate it. Wait a full day. Then take a stiff bristled scrubbing brush and scrub the rest off of your tub. Go with a nylon scrubbing brush to avoid scratching the surface of the bathtub. As you can see, removing rust from your bathtub is pretty easy with the right equipment. Try out these remedies one by one, and if you find one that really works, stick with it. Nobody enjoys having to clean the bathtub, but with these simple hacks, you'll remove rust from yours in no time at all. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to clean toilet bowl stains with baking soda and vinegar. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.